Hello, you're watching Traders Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. The following events will be closely watched by market participants during the early half of the week. On Monday, the United States will disclose its existing home sales for August. Economists forecast a 0.3% increase to 5.2 million units. In July 2014, the indicator advanced 2.4% on a monthly basis to 5.15 million units. That was the highest monthly increase since September 2013. Meanwhile, analysts surveyed by Bloomberg had expected 0.5% contraction in sales. Low mortgage interest rates, rising costs of housing, and increase in employment together with a reduction in consumer lending provided the necessary level of confidence of the United States citizens to decide on the purchase of real estate. Construction companies are also showing signs of recovery after a lull in activity earlier this year. On Wednesday, Statistics New Zealand will release its trade balance report for August. Most analysts predict trade deficit to have widened to $1,275 million New Zealand dollars. In July, New Zealand's trade deficit rose more than expected, posting the largest monthly expansion since 2008. Experts say this was mainly due to an increase in imports and a decrease in exports of crude oil and dairy products. Thus, exports fell 3.3% on a yearly basis, while imports grew 4.8%. So the country's trade balance came in at 692 million New Zealand dollars in July. Analysts in their turn had expected to see trade deficit of 475 million New Zealand dollars. In addition, Germany will publish its Eye for Business climate index data. September reading is seen at 107.5 points. It's important to note that the indicator reached a one-year low a month earlier amid escalation of crisis in Ukraine and sanctions against Russia. Thus, the IFO Institute for Economic Research reported that the indicator fell to 106.3 points in August after posting 108 points in the previous months. The index had been projected at 107 points in August. Moreover, the first half of the week will be marked with the following macroeconomic releases. On Monday, the Eurozone will provide its consumer confidence data. On Tuesday, HSBC will release its Chinese manufacturing PMI report. Meanwhile, the euro area countries, Germany, France and others, will unveil their manufacturing PMI figures too. In Canada, retail sales data will be out. On Wednesday, the US will report on its new home sales. It was Economic Calendar on InstаForекс TV channel. Have a nice trading.